Okay, so yesterday we discussed about if, for, while, and since no one is talking, then what to do? So we'll see. Things. Okay, so here it is. You can open any file, guys. This is a VS Code. Okay, this is called a VS Code or a Visual Studio Code. It is a empty console, means it is a IDE like a Atom kind of stuff only. Atom. Nowadays we got Anaconda kind of stuff came up now. So same thing only. Like it is also same thing. But I tried Atom initially days. So I tried Atom. So because when I searching for a Python, learning Python and environment, that time most of the thing is Atom related. But I feel very difficulty to understand how to set up the things. But now when I got this VS Code, it is very easy to do it. Very simple thing is, so when you want to develop something, so only that related, the program related things only you should add it. Like this is a extensions. So I want to do a Java related one. Okay, I want to practice Java. So Java related things will be came up. See, it is you want to install certain things, you can click on it. So it is already installed or not. So it is Marvin is already installed. Marvin for Java, like this. Extension pack for Java, which is already installed. It is reload required, means it will reload it because we didn't use for a longer time. Okay, it's a debug for Java. Okay, test runner for Java, or something like it is Tomcat for a Java. It is not installed. If I wanted this one, just install it like that. So it is basically when you install a Visual Studio Code, it is a empty. It means it will open very quickly. It opens very quickly. Unlike your other IDEs like a PyCharm or Eclipse or NetBeans. So if you open, it will take a lot of time because a lot of libraries or related things should be loaded, right? It will take a lot of time. It quickly open, quickly execute because you don't want all the things. You want only basic thing. You are a basic practitioner. You need a basic, that's enough for you. Then automatically you can do it. And also you can add so many other things also. Like this is a database related. Okay, I have a MySQL in my system. Then I will connect it to MySQL, and so I will work with that one. This is a NoSQL related one is came up. This is the Python related, Python environment related. Okay, testing related. Okay, next this is a debug and run. This is if you are having a GitHub kind of stuff, GitHub pushing, Git repository you want to maintain, that is source control. If you want to search for something, then you can search where it is. This is Explorer. Okay, this is settings. You want to do any settings, changes, or themes or anything, background, like this is a setting. So VS Code is much easier. Initial days, I usually, when I say IDE type, I said use the PyCharm. Again, when you installation of PyCharm and using of PyCharm, it is always little challenges. Of course, for starter, PyCharm is always a better one. So people who don't know anything, so PyCharm is better. Okay. So people start learning, that is like this. See, I installed, see, go to extension, Python. It is searching for a extension for a Python. See, it is. See, Python extension is here already installed. However, now because it's showing uninstalled, means it is installed. This is other Python for VS Code. It is not installed. If you want to install, you can install. Only required packages only you should install. See, extension packages. Okay. So with that one, you can able to run HTML or like depends upon which kind of things you want to do it. This is I'm developing a project for you only. That is the project is related to Not this one. This is, yeah, it's a Flask related one. In your syllabus, you have two things are there extra. That is one is Flask, another one is a web scraping. But we won't get that much of time to explain what is web scraping and Flask kind of stuff. And I don't know how many people really understand also. Okay. So whatever it is, I will try if possible, if time is allowed. Okay. You can open and you can open the particular file, or you can create a new file also possible. Okay. And also you can create a, or you can open from the folder also. I put all my Python files into E drive, Python projects, sorry, all the projects. Inside a project, I put a Python folder. So these are all my Python files. Okay. So different type of files I given here. So here in this one, I'm going to demo. So I want to open this thing specifically in the VS Code. So simply right click, open with the VS Code. You can do it. Or లేదండి మీరు బ్రౌజ్ చేయాలి. మీరు వర్చువల్ మిషన్ లో బ్రౌజ్ చేయాలండి. అది ఒకసారి చూడండి, ఒకసారి వీడియో చూడండి. ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ అప్పుడు సిడి డివిడి దగ్గర వస్తుంది బ్రౌజ్ అని. మీరు ఎక్కడ ఇమేజ్ ఉందో దాన్ని లింక్ చేయండి. లేదు నేను మధ్యాహ్నం చెప్తానులేండి అసలు, లేదంటే ఓకేనా క్లాస్లో అంతే. సిడి డివిడి అని వస్తుంది కదా, మీరు అందులోనే బ్రౌజర్ ఉంటుంది, యూజ్ ఐఎస్ ఇమేజ్ బ్రౌజ్ చేసినప్పుడు మీకు ఎక్కడైతే మీరు డౌన్లోడ్ చేశారో అది దాని మీద క్లిక్ చేసి ఓపెన్ కొడితే వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా. Sorry. Windows 10 installation. Okay. So here it is my demo file. I want to open this demo file from here. Different ways to do it. Okay, including command prompt also you can able to do it. So I said a open file. So going back to projects. So this is my Python folder. So demo 15. Which file is already created. If you want to create a file, then also you can create a file like this. Okay, untitled file like this, you can create it and change the name of the file or write something in this file. Auto detect which type of file it you want to do it. Okay, see, you want to create a Java file, you want to create a HTML file. Okay, good. Okay, normally depends upon extensions. Depends upon extension, it will understand that what kind of file it is. So I'm writing like a print in hello. Okay, so whatever I'm writing, it is become a title for that one, so don't use like that. So I will change the name. Okay, so change name again, so it is like a demo 14. Save. So it's the name of the file is changed. Okay, so when you're saving it, check the location also. Okay, this is the location. So look at this, is two files are there. Okay, and you can execute it. So just press this button, you can do it. Guys, do not forget one important point is, don't forget a point is, a thing is, first of all, you have to install a Python. Without installing Python in your PC, all these IDEs are useless. Okay, it won't execute anything. It don't understand anything. We need a Python should be installed in your PC. Okay, properly installed. Okay, so there will be a lot of changes when you are doing keep doing in it. Lot of challenges are there. Okay, when you do some changes or when you keep doing work, so a lot of challenges. So this is yesterday's my while loop example. Okay, so today whatever the thing is there, I will try to do it in my thing here. I will do it. Okay, guys, is it visible? The text is visible or not?
Yeah, sir,
Yes.
visible, sir.
Yes, sir, visible.
Text is very small. Then I will search for one by one. So font size, I'll try 22. Okay. Why this is why. I put a font size for user space. Okay, so what will happens? You see, nothing is happening. No, for me it is okay. Help. Font size is already 22, 24. What is this? Save all, toggle. New untitled phase. Where is that 14 page? Yeah, here it is. Still the size, the means font size is not changing. Why font size is not changing? Yeah, view, very good. Columns, SCM, Explorer, appearance, full screen, Zen mode. What is this Zen mode? It's a full screen mode. I want to come out from it. So how to come? Escape. Yeah. He came back. So I'll try. There are other options. Maybe this is not changing font size. I just zoom in my kind of stuff. Okay. I think it is showing somewhat better. You can look at the output here. You can see hello is displayed here. Okay. So you can start doing something for initial testing. Okay. So yeah, guys, I want to tell about strings. So for example, I put some name. It's a name. Okay. It is just a single name. Okay. So I created a variable now. So I'm giving print statement for the variable. So it is displayed output. Where is output? Like this. Here it is a output. This look like very dangerous one. I think it is little better. So look at here. Okay, so it is showing output here Vedicsoft. I can put this thing into the left side, but again it is only trial only it is happening. Okay, so not now. Okay, that is just a Vedicsoft. But if you put it like this, okay, like this for x in s1 in. Okay, so what will happen? Look at here. Okay, so what will happen? Vedicsoft is printing multiple times, but how many times we don't know. So actually there is a mistake. It is X we should give. So look at here. It's a Vedicsoft output from here. V E D I C S O F T. So it is split into multiple things because it's a indexed. Because it is a indexed one. So look at here, guys. Like a print S1 print S1 0. So what is a 0? It's a indexed. This is a first one is 0. Okay, 0. Same thing. Print 4. Which one is 4? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one is C. Fourth one is C. Okay. Or you can put a like a print S1 2 colon means from 2 onwards means D to T. It will display D to T. It is a indexed. It is indexed. So print s1 dot. So it is format, join, center, r strip, l strip, l just like this. Capitalized, case fold, count, okay, capitalized. So we'll see what will happen. Maybe it will throw an error. Yeah, it is showing some built-in object kind of stuff. Don't worry. So I'll put a like this. Nothing, no changes. So I will change this one to different way. Now it will be changed, but we will say case fold. Try this one. Format. You have to tell which format you want to do it. It's like code ends with find index. Okay. Is a lowercase, is numeric case. Okay. Is space, is upper, lower, L strip. It is. Now you find upper. So convert into upper, convert into lower. Convert into lower. So completely lowercase. Okay. So different kind of stuff you can able to do it. Okay. So with a strings. Okay. Center kind of stuff, capitalize, count. What is this? Like you compulsory understand what it is. Is alpha numeric? Is it alpha? Like question, it is a numeric data. It is a alpha numeric data or a numeric data is alphabetic kind of stuff. This true. It is a alpha numeric. Is it a numeric? Like that. Numeric data, alpha numeric data, like that. It is will be there. So this is about your strings. There are a lot of things are there. Just I told only these things only because we started, but no one is responding based on yesterday part. Understanding, not understanding, guys. Again, fourth one is C, index. So print. Put a 3 colon. See, from 3 to ending. 3 to ending. Okay. Only certain period, like a 3 to the last one is 4, 5. So maybe I will put a 6. Okay, like this. Means 3. 3 starts here, like 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 to 6, 3, 4, 5. This is only it will display. This is only it will display. You want to know about length? Print length of S1. S1 length. Totally 9 characters are there. Totally 9 characters are there in this one. Okay. Length of the character. Type. It is string. It is string. Okay. So this is about a very small thing about a strings. You can use. You can have a lot of options and things in the strings. You can try also. So last time when I told about a if loop, for loop also, I didn't give you any kind of output. So now I will try to give you. Just to show how to do it only. Okay, I will remove all these things. Don't worry. Guys, any doubt? Now in the Python, that is important because next I'm going to functions.
Sir, can you please show a for loop again?
For loop.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Iterator. For is a iterator. So when you give an input till it is completed, it do that one. Okay. So for example, for x in a range of 6, it means 0 to 5 kind of stuff. Okay. So like a so it's range. So print x. What happened? It print x value. It is iterator. Range 6 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So like that. So x value starting is 0. Next is 1. Like that it will be there. So look at that output. Hit see 0. I will up like you can look at this 0. First x value is a 0. Okay. Next value is 1. Next value is 2. Next value is 3. Next value 5. So once it is finished, okay, so then loop will be exit. So I put a comment here. The comment means the range 6 meaning is 0 to 5. Okay, so this is called a comment. Comment won't execute while you are executing your program. Okay, so how to
So
define
if
a
I
comment?
want to print 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, that
You want a
print reverse of the number 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
in a reverse order. Okay, then I have to do some different thing. I didn't get an idea how to do it in a reverse order. You have to do minus kind of stuff. So you have to define a while loop. If for loop is works or not, I don't know. So then we'll try with the while loop. While a is equal to 0. If condition not satisfied. Okay, a is not defined here. So a is equal to, for example, 6. Okay, a is defined. So while a equal to 0, so it's a should be equal to 0. Print a value, and now a minus equal to 1 decrement. Reverse order right here. Yeah, I just done right. So 2 programs should be executed. Yeah, this is only 1 program output. I'll try this one in the separate way. If a is greater than 0, Then we'll see, take it. So greater than or equal to 0. This is better. Yeah, you can get a like this decrement value
Okay,
0
sir.
to 6. Okay. It's the only thing is you have to change like you put a 5 or you put a 1 here like that. So or you can put this one up. Also you can do it. Okay.
In a Java, we can use for loop also, sir, for decrement. For I
Yeah.
equal to 1, I
Already I
greater
told you
than.
I'm not a programmer. So
Okay, okay.
same thing. It's in a for loop we can use as a iteration, else conditions. Also you can do it. Okay. Same. If it is working in a Java, it works in a Python also. Only thing is how you give. That is the only one thing. Okay. That's
Yes, sir. We
currently
wanted to
I'm
know
not.
syntax, correct syntax.
Yeah, the syntax only will change this, but process is same. But how you put
Okay.
in a Java then?
For bracket I equal to 6, I less than
So
or
that
equal to
I
0,
equal to
I
what?
equal
Tell
to
me. I equal
6,
to
6,
0. I less than or equal to.
semicolon, sir. Semicolon, not a comma.
no problem. No
Semicolon.
problem.
I less than or equal to 1, 0. Semicolon. I minus
plus.
minus 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 minus. Yes, sir. Next
Minus
print
one.
I, double minus. Next line print I.
Okay. So this is in a Java or a C language also same thing is in the bracket, right? So
Yes, sir.
what it is important is structure is important. Syntax may different. Like I put like this, but you can't put this thing in the Python. So Python I don't understand this one. But process is same only. So same thing. See, I define A again same thing separately. In a while I put a same only. The concept is same, but I've written in a while. But if you can able return
Yes, sir.
this thing in the for, so also maybe you will get that one. So we'll try in the for is like this. For example, you take a I or a or x or anything. I is equal to 6. For a in I value. So for I value, or is or equal or anything you can take it. Print a, then you can give I minus equal to 1. Just you can try this one. Okay. So why? For a, I how to give this iteration? It will be there. I am not able to get it. How to give? You have to take I, and we have to print I. Okay, and then we have to minus I. That's it. It is throwing an error. This is not correct one. So actually, you have to define this while loop. It is clearly came. It's okay. But structure is same. Structure is always same. That the how you implement is different. Okay. So I learn very less now. So that's okay. So same thing for a Vedicsoft. Okay. So you put a Y in Vedicsoft. means S1. It is iterated like a print. So print y, sorry, print y. Different ways to get an output. Just here, I'm showing only basics only. So this is range. Okay. Okay. In this range only, I will develop little bit. So one is like x, comma. Okay. So I put a into range like 2, for example. X into 2. Okay, so I want to try this one. So remove this one. So table 0 to 5 table. If you don't want 0, then also you can give like this. Give 1, comma 6. So 1 to 5. It's a table. Okay, I didn't done anything. Just only range. That is 1 to 5 I have told. Okay, and then this is the format only I changed. I didn't done anything newly. Okay, just this is how I printed. Okay, guys, there is a lot of things are there as you practice in C language and Java language. ABCD displaying. Okay, ABCD displaying, triangles, stars displaying like a first star, second star. That kind of stuff also you can able to implement. Okay, just I'm only telling the syntax only. Okay, the basic syntax only. You can give other things like a finding of primary numbers, finding even odd numbers, display the text like a b c a b c, like that. So that's can alphabeticals. You can display how many abcs you can range. What is that one? So like a 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 2, like that factorial kind of stuffs. Okay, so you can able to implement. That's why I told you really learn, because once you know the basic syntax, okay, so then you want to do implement, so then you can try to implement like this. So see, big things you can write. This is a break kind of stuff. Specific programming like this. Okay, so what is this program? This is a table. Okay, I display very easily, but it's displaying very difficultly. Okay, and the next continuous loops. So continuous loops. Okay, so this is how to define a continuous loop. The loop never exists. Exit. Okay. While else. This is while else. Means it done this one. Once it is done, or a condition not satisfied. This condition, this will do till the condition satisfies. Till the condition satisfied. Once condition satisfied, exit. Right? If condition not satisfied kind of stuff, like it will go out from it. So while else. Okay, nested kind of stuff. See, Fibonacci series. Okay, this is for a Fibonacci series. If, while, else. So there's a nested kind of stuff is also there. That is, you have to find and practice based on your understanding level. Okay, so that's what I trying to say. Okay, so this is the basic structure of the programs, for loop and while loop, and different ways you can able to do it. And also I told about basics of strings, because when you do for loop any example, that also give about a strings. And also you can define in a different ways, like this. For example, you put a last time I shown a list A, list B. Okay, so you given a list, the list like you put some names or kind of stuff. Banana. So another one is like this, and for loop for A in list A. Anything you print. I said just count only. Okay, or you can use like a count. Okay, you can use count, or maybe you can display some other things. For example, I put a fruits only. Like this. It's not compulsory only give like this. So it's your way to tell. Okay, so what happened here? I given list A. List A is displayed 3 times. List A displayed 3 times. Why it is? Because of first A value is the first one. So one time iteration, and it's displayed like this. Okay, so otherwise I will put like this. Remove this one. It is. You display fruit 3 times, not any value. Because of understand, first one A is a first one. A is equal to apple. A is equal to apple. So one iteration. So then one output like this. Okay. So second, again once it is completed, loop back to go for it. A in a list A. So then it is second one, means second iteration. Second time, third time, third time. So like that it will be display. Okay, it's a purely depends upon how you understand or how you implement is important. For example, you give like this, then it will give you a yes value. Okay, if you don't want like you want to get a other value, B value, C value, like that, so like that also you can able to get it. You can count it, also you can B is greater than or equal to length of list A. Okay, it means it's greater than 3. If greater than or equal to 3, B is greater than or equal to 3 while. So I put a B value is equal to 0 or 1. You can put a 1 also. B comma. So next B plus plus nested loop. Something mistake is happened. Okay. Syntax is correct. Something print statement is wrong. No, it is not correct. Okay, yeah, that's it, guys. I will go to the functions. Why I'm feeling exhausted means the heat is very high here in Hyderabad. Okay, so this is the next one is I'm going to functions, and this is why I'm feeling irritation with this one also. Okay, and that's it. That's it. Freshly, I don't want to mix this one to that one. Okay, so just